Hey guys, it's your Mooregirl and welcome back to my channel. Well, guess what I got, guys? I'm so excited to show you. Hey guys, so the last piece is done and I just want to tell you that who would have thought I would turn this walkway into a walk-in closet in this small space. Guys, well, you ready? Let's go check it out. Yes, guys, I added this curtain and the last part was my mirror I got from Amazon. So I'm going to go over again, and also don't forget the lights. So there is like 1, 2, and guess what, this one, and that's cool, and this one. So this is the PAX system. Yes, so up top I just did like records and statements, you know, paperwork that I can just reach easily. Okay, this top shelf is IKEA Scubs. It's SKUBB. These come small, medium, and also under storage. These things are really great for seasonal items like bathing suits or even your sweaters. So like my beach towels, yoga towel, and things like that, even though I haven't done yoga. My bag, this is my section I have for my coach. My jewelry, my Dooney and Burke coach, Michael Kors, and of course my jewelry, and I added the drawers like I said, shelf, 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 and there are shoes behind it. These are not pull out, this is the standard shelves. I didn't do the pull out this time. Okay, coming on in the second one again, easy to reach items. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4. This is empty. It's nothing in this one yet. But this is the sheets and towels and pillowcases. And I can, even though I haven't turned this direction, I can always just look here. And the windows was on the side. Or I might just do like a label on each, one. It snaps down and they do pile on each other. And this is from Temu. Of course, my makeup. Of course, this one here I got from Goodwill a long time ago. My Fenty, my Makeup Forever, yep, and then of course my palettes are here. So I have from Morphe in the back, I have Tarte, Laura Lee, Beauty Bakery. So I have a little bit of everything back here. So it's just enough to get me. And over here my powders and all my concealers, my mascara, my cleanser, and my lashes. So everything fit in here. My Charlotte Tilbury here. So I really like her foundation. That is what I'm wearing today. Again, clothes, underwear. I'm not going to pull that out. Shirts, pants, sneakers, and shoes behind it, because I couldn't get a bigger PAX system, so I got a 19-inch, and it's still the deepest one, which is, I think it's 22 inches deep, and the one that's 78 inches high. But because it at least gave me space, so I could put my ironing board in my iron. So this is how it look from my angle here, in my light. And I was going to take this off and cover it, but I said no. And the reason, because when this has to be recharged, I need to turn the light on. So I just left it and just ignored it. Okay, of course, I did my, my washer dryer. It's a little dated, but hey, it came with it. So I put in my power scrubber, my Swiffer, and I put myself on top. And so that's it. Not fancy, but efficient. Okay, linen, clothes, shoes, jewelry, makeup. The bottom, I just get sandals that I'm used to wearing quickly, like these. The stuff in the back, I may not wear that often. This is easy, grab and go sandals. Cute with jeans. Okay, so yes, their shoes way in the back as well. All right, so I like the curtain I put up, and the way I hung it was this way here. I hung it on the inside, so when you're on the outside here, you can't see it. You see, you can't tell how high it is because these are high ceilings. You know, and it's a shame because you can see these are 10-foot ceilings, and this must be because of this trap here. They dropped this down to like 7 feet. Okay, guys, so that's how it looks. And of course, you know, and I like it. I usually keep it like, you know, a little open here just to separate the two. And I can get ready. Yes, there I go. Yeah. Your Mooregirl got thickums, but she's still Mooregirl. All right, but I can get ready. And I also put my light here. Now, this is not a remote control, but I can easily just touch it. Here, like 1, 2, 3, off. Okay, so that's not an issue. Coming through. Of course, this is my regular closet with my clothes in it and my hamper. You wouldn't have really thought this was a bathroom back here if no one knew about it. Yep. So I kind of like what I did. Okay. I just want to show you the mirror again. This is an arch mirror and it is brass. Okay, the only thing about these brackets, they only but so long. These here, they only but so long. I really wish it would come down a little more so that this will come, you know, down about another 5 inches. I really wish about that, you know, but it is what it is. All right, guys, it's your Mooregirl. Thanks for watching my itty bitty tiny but efficient closet. And actually, it's not as tiny as some people because I've seen some people where if you was to gut this out from here all the way in here, it's actually 9 feet. And I think this is like 6 feet. So it's about 9 by 6 closet. It's just, of course, they put in a washer and dryer. How many people have a washer and dryer in their closet? Yay, you see? All right, again, this is it. In the curtain, you can see my bedroom, and I'm looking at my palm tree. Look at my palm tree. Guys, I'll sit on the bed, and I can sit and look at my palm trees and look straight across and see the mountains. So even though it's a nice view. Yep, it's not bad. All right, guys. Okay, guys, so that is it. That is it for my closet tour. All right, and again, thanks for watching. All right, it's your Mooregirl. I'll be back hopefully soon. I can guarantee you, I do have a couple sponsorships coming up, so I'm hoping to make it before Christmas or definitely the New Year. All right, guys, it's your Mooregirl. I'll see you. All right, bye.